Hey friends, how y'all doing? I look like a new bitch, huh? I look like a new bitch, huh? I know, thank you. Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm so excited how this turned out. Like, what? This hair is so pretty. So pretty.
Yes, I love her like, oh, yes, I love her like.
Alright, let's get into this video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to do this bubblegum pink wig. And if you wanna know how to do it, stay tuned. Bitch, you outdid your motherfucking self this time because I can't even recognize you. Yes. Oh my gosh, nobody can tell me nothing with my bubblegum pink Shirley Temple wig. Like, I'm doing this right now. I'm really doing this right now. Like, you can't tell me nothing, sis. This hair is so bomb that I'm finna just end the video right here. Like, there's nothing else to say. Like, the hair spoke for itself. So go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Definitely turn on that bell button, that notification button. Click that. That's your best friend outside of the subscribe button. Go ahead and click the notification button because you just don't want to miss any other videos. And if you're not subscribed, you're doing yourself an injustice. So go ahead and do those two things right there. And then, yeah, chime in next time. Bye.